Looking for a pool robot that actually does it all? Meet the Poolmate Hydro 4, designed to clean the floor, walls, and even the waterline of your pool with smart app control and serious suction power. Complete coverage, floor, wall, and waterline cleaning. No more half-done cleanups. The Hydro 4 tackles every surface in your pool. Smart app control via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Schedule cleanings, switch modes, and monitor progress. All from your smartphone. Large 4.1L top-load filter basket. With one of the biggest filter baskets in its class, you won't need to empty it every 20 minutes. 50 feet tangle-free cord. Perfect for pools of all shapes and sizes. Up to 50 feet long. Advanced navigation system. It doesn't just bounce around. It plans an efficient cleaning path for maximum coverage. Deep, thorough cleaning. The waterline cleaning really sets this apart. No more ring of grime at the top of your pool. Super convenient app control. Control it from anywhere. I scheduled a clean from inside my house. It's a luxury you won't want to give up. Great for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Versatile and powerful. No need to buy separate units. No cordless option. If you're set on a cordless robot, this one still uses a power cable, though it's swivel-free and long enough for most pools. App setup can be tricky at first. Initial Bluetooth/Wi-Fi pairing took a few tries, so give yourself a little time on day one. If you have a medium to large pool, in-ground or above ground, and want a cleaner that tackles the entire pool surface, this is a great choice. The Poolmate Hydro 4 is powerful, easy to use, and loaded with smart features. If you want a robot that cleans top to bottom and takes the guesswork out of pool care, this is it. Grab yours today. Link in the description. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more pool tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.